Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar Cargo Tub Liner for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, one of the nice features in the new Wrangler is the added storage space underneath the rear cargo floor. It's much larger than in previous generations Wranglers. Now, the nice thing about the new Cargo Tub Liner is that it makes it much easier to keep that space clean. Now, it features integrated molded handles here that make it easy to remove. And on the back side, there's a molded grid pattern here that adds some strength to the floor of the tub liner, so much so that you could even use it to carry stuff in and out of the garage, or hey, probably even take it shopping if you wanted to. And it's made with the same topographic map pattern on the bottom here, just like in the Mopar all-weather floor liners. There's also a large Jeep logo here, but one of the best features of the new Mopar Cargo Tub Liner, well, it installs just that easy. If you guys want to get more information or purchase a tub liner for your Wrangler, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. If you have any comments or questions on the tub liner, you can leave those for us below, or you can contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And of course, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail. Cargo Tub Liner. Is that, well, that. Cargo Tub Liner? Yeah. Liner? Well, the install couldn't. Liner? Our Cargo Tub Liner. Yo!